Ciao, it's Ellie and welcome to a new great yoga practice. Today we are targeting the neck and the shoulders to release tension, stiffness and pain. Maybe you woke up with some neck problems or you had a bad posture during the day. After this class you will feel much better. You can sit on your mat, on a chair or on a couch. Feel free to decide. Let's begin in our sitting. Close your eyes for a few moments, resting your hands on your thighs. Shoulders are down, back and relaxed. And your spine is nice and long, reaching up to your crown of your head. And you are rooted through your sitting bones and your legs. And start following your breath. Breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your nose. Taking 3 deep, long breaths through your nose and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Your shoulders relax. Gently open your eyes and start focusing on your shoulder blades. You want to keep them closer, so squeeze them together. Shoulders are down and relaxed. Open your chest. Rotate your head like you are drawing a big circle. Just gentle movement with your neck. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose. Gentle movements and keep your shoulders relaxed down and your shoulder blades closed. Now you can reverse the movement. Very slow. Keep breathing. Another breath here. And slowly come back to the center. Excellent. Start rotating your shoulders a few times. Really gentle movement. Also in opposite direction. And come back to the center. Arms on the side. Your spine is nice and long. Inhaling, raise up your arms. Exhaling, hands behind your head. Elbows back. Shoulders down. Lifting up your chest and your heart. Looking up. Inhaling, exhaling. Elbows are touching. Looking at your belly. And again, inhaling, looking up. Lifting up your heart. Exhaling. Elbows touching. And again, another 3 times with your pace. Deep and long inhalation and deep and long exhalation. Another one. Stay here. Stretching your neck, shoulders down, relaxed, and breathe, bringing your attention at your neck. Inhaling, come back to the center and release your arms down. You can shake your hands. And now bring your right hand behind, interlace your fingers, and bring your hands on the left side of your waist, shoulders down. Inhaling, look straight. Exhaling, lean on the side. Feel the stretch on the right side of your neck and of your shoulder too. And slowly bring your gaze on the left armpit and breathe. We are stretching on the right side of the neck, of the shoulder, releasing tension and stiffness. Breathe deep and long, bringing oxygen in that side of the body. And slowly come back to the center. Release your arms and change. Interlace your fingers and bring your hands on the right side of your waist. Shoulders down, spine nice and long. Inhaling straight, exhaling, lean on the side. Breathe. Bring your attention on your neck, on your shoulder. And gently gaze on the right armpit. And breathe deep and long. You are releasing tension from this side of the body. Your breath is your guide. And slowly come back to the center. Release your arms. You can move your shoulders, arms, hands. Inhaling, lift up your right arm and bring your right hand on the left knee. Inhaling, lift up your left arm and lean on the side. Extend your arm over your head, looking up. And breathe, just breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. Noticing the stretching of the left side. And slowly come back up and change. Inhaling, lift up your left arm and bring your left hand on the right knee. Inhaling, right arm up. Extend your arm and lean on the side. Shoulder back. Extend your right arm over your head. Looking up. Breathe. Another 2 breaths here. And slowly come back up and release your arms. You can change the position of your legs. Bring your arms back, interlace your fingers, your shoulders down and back, and your hands are away from your tailbone. Inhaling, lifting up your heart. Exhaling, lean forward. Keeping your spine nice and long, and your arms up. And resting your head, your neck is soft while you are lifting your arms up. And with the next inhalation, come back up and release your arms. You can shake your hands. Excellent. Great job. And release your hands on your thighs. Bring your hands in front of your heart center. Namaste. Thanks to everyone that follow me in this practice. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel.